guys, Liz from the Nail Hub here, and I got something really cool in the mail today, and I thought I would show you guys what this looks like. So I did not open it. I did put some tape over my address just for the sake of this video and maintaining some privacy. And I've got my scissors here, and I'm just gonna crack this baby open. And the reason why I wanted to share this is, number one, it's really fun to do unboxings, and also the whole reason why I'm able to do this unboxing is because of all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel over the last year or so, which is really freaking cool. So thank you so much for subscribing to the Nail Hub. It means a lot to have your guys' support, and I hope what I'm putting out there is appreciated and that you guys are getting the most out of it, because that's the whole goal behind what I do. And without further ado, I'm going to open this. So this is pretty cool. It comes in this black box with some foam, and there's a little card in here that says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This order is inspected and packaged with great care by Rick." Thank you, Rick. And it lets me know if it was damaged or anything. I can contact them via email. Then there's this really cool nifty letter in here that says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too." That is 100% true. "What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say we can't wait to see what you do next. 1,000,000 subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations." Thank you, Susan. She's the CEO of YouTube, and this is a really nice letter. Very well written. Oh my gosh, and on super nice letterhead. So that is super cool. And then check this out, you guys. It's in plastic right now. I'm going to take the plastic off. But it says, "Presented to the Nail Hub for passing 100,000 subscribers." And it has YouTube on the bottom, which is really cool. Oh my gosh, this is like wickedly cool. Let me move it so you guys can see. Isn't that cool? And this is all because of you guys. I mean, yes, I've been putting out content, but I really want to thank you all for supporting my channel, for being a part of what I do. And, you know, I've had a YouTube channel for a while now, but I was never really active on it until about 1.5 years ago. And that's when I sat down with my husband, Herman, and we talked about changing up the kind of content that we were putting out. And the biggest element of that was our Gel Nail Fundamentals playlist, which I started. And it's been going now for, I think, like 1.5 years. I haven't really calculated how long it's been happening for. But the cool thing is that we had this conversation about creating free content and just sharing knowledge and putting stuff out there. And mind you, I've had some people that don't understand why I'm doing this and think it's completely uncouth. But a lot of you, I think, have been very helped by what I've put out and have really gotten a better understanding of your nail health, of your products, of how to use your products. And that was ultimately my goal. My goal in everything that I've put out on YouTube has been to help educate, to help people skip mistakes, to help better prepare people for their careers, for their hobbies, and even for just people that are out there getting their nails done, for you guys to have a better understanding of what your options are, how to identify high quality versus low quality. And that also in turn helps my fellow nail technicians, because now you guys know exactly what to look for when you're out trying to choose a salon. So I just want to say thank you again for this. This means the world to me that I've gotten this. This is a very, very cool thing to achieve. And you have been a very big part of my journey. And I can't thank you enough. So here is to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I hope it continues to grow. And just like that letter very, very eloquently stated, it really isn't about the number of subscribers to me. It's just knowing that I'm able to help influence others, to help educate others, and to help, you know, impact your lives in a positive way, because that's one of the really cool things about the internet, is being able to share and being able to impact people's lives. And I hope you guys have enjoyed being on this journey with me thus far. All right. Just wanted to say thanks and do this little unboxing for you, and I will be in touch again soon with another awesome video. All right, bye.